Are you wondering also that when the game Inzoi will be released on the Play Store on different downloading platform and where you will be able to access the game and actually play that on your PC or on your device anywhere you want it? Firstly, we will tell you the main detail that why there is a delay in the game launch and when lastly the confirm period whenever the game will be available to download to your PC and use it. So, the Inzoi release date window in ZOI is due to release in the late 2024, likely 2024 in the year we are running right now. This is already August of month, but I expect that in about 2 to 3 months the game will be released, and you can also check the updates on the official Inzo website and keep checking all the downloading platform from where you will be able to download the PC game just like Steam, Xbox and any other devices. So this is how you can do it, and the date is late 2024. There is no specific month or any deadline for it. So keep waiting and you will be able to access it soon. Thank you so much for watching this video.